I'm graduating in the kaupapa of kaitiakitanga, which is Professional Supervision Level 8 Postgraduate Diploma. It was a real whānau environment. All of our classes, we all met together at Te Papaioia campus. It was just a real awesome environment, sitting there with each other, all the tauira on the same kaupapa, learning and getting this new knowledge, and sitting with our kaiako and the support tauira and previous students that have done the program used to come in and sit in the class too. So that was real awesome. If you want to take yourself to that taumata, to that high level of understanding and learning, being around such great tutors and supports, I think kaitiakitanga is the way to go. I'm just really excited about sharing the new learnings that I've gained from kaitiakitanga with my iwi and my hapu.
It was great for me because it was home-based learning. So being able to start my journey and connecting back into Te Ao Māori, want to start from the basics, and having that contact with my kaiako either over the phone, email and our monthly catch-ups, it just really gelled into my lifestyle. So I was actually looking forward to my little deliveries in the mailbox of all my beautiful resources, and then being able to have those resources as well to share with my tamariki. So it was really beautiful. I really enjoyed it. It's really enriched my life. So now I can feel I'm not just saying the kupu, I'm understanding where it's come from, what it really means, and how you can just really recreate or change it, because not everything has one meaning. So being able to make it fit in and actually see the real value of each kupu and how we live it and just breathe it and be, it's so powerful. I'm so proud that I've done this course.
I knew day one that it was the space for me and my learning. I felt it was very inclusive, very whānau orientated and very supportive. The best kind of environment I know for myself and my learning. It was life transformative, it was whānau transformative, it was a lot of whakawhanaungatanga and very empowering. It actually was the foundation for me moving on. I'm now studying the Bachelor of Bicultural Social Work. I never thought I would ever do that. I thought the certificate was where it was at for me. But in all of that learning, it's encouraged me and empowered me to further my education and my knowledge.
I began the course because I wanted to understand why we were encouraging karakia in classroom-based situations with my job that I do. And it was really cool. We got lots and lots of resources, and because it was home-based, I could do it in my own time. Work around my whānau, work around mahi. It was easy to just slot it in when I could. I told my kaiako at the start that I'm here because I need to learn karakia and I need to understand why I've got to do that in the classroom. And then throughout the journey of tikanga, I actually found out a lot about myself. To be proud to be Māori and to just look back at where you've come from and discover things about yourself through understanding your own culture.
I'm graduating with a diploma in Māori Visual Arts. The course was great. The kaiako was awesome, Brenda. She was great, really encouraging and supportive. And the course, you are learning every step of the way. Each new step builds on what you've learned previously. I always enjoy learning new things, so that satisfaction of learning. Just for my family, I'm hoping that they will appreciate the taonga in the future. Now moving on to the degree, level 6 and level 7. It's really good to be at this stage. Just do it. You won't regret it.